Uniform circular motion. Observe the tip of the second hand of a clock. What can you say about its velocity and speed? The speed of a tip of a clock is constant, but the direction of its displacement and therefore its velocity is constantly changing. As the tip is moving along a circular path, its motion is called uniform circular motion. Try out and think about it. Note how many times you have to change the direction while tracing the complete path. Answer 4. Now repeat this action for a pentagonal, hexagonal, octagonal path and note the number of times you have to change direction. Answer 5, 6, 8. Question 5.
If you increase the number of sides of the polygon and make it infinite, how many times will you have to change the direction? What will be the shape of the path? This shows that as we increase the number of sides, we have to keep changing direction more and more times. And we have increased the number of sides of infinity. The polygon become a circle. Answer: infinite times and the shape of the path is circular.
Along a circular path, the change in velocity is only due to the change in direction. Hence, it is accelerated motion. When an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called uniform circular motion. Example: the motion of a stone in a sling or that of any point on a bicycle wheel when they are in uniform motion. If an object moving along a circular path of radius r takes time t to come back to its starting position, its speed can be determined using the formula given below. Speed equals to circumference upon time. V equals to 2 pi r upon t, r equals to radius of the circle.